Creator, I hope you are fine. I pray that you will always be happy and well wherever you are. In this video, I am showing you very stylish, very attractive crochet cushion designs and patterns ideas. I am sharing ideas with you. So my dear friends, if you want to create beautiful and attractive and modern cushions designs, you must watch my full video. In this video, I'll show you how to create beautiful crochet cushions that will brighten up any room, whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter. You will find something to love in this collection of patterns. Crochet cushions are the perfect project for any occasion. They are easy to make, customizable, and add a personal touch to any space. In this video, I'll share some of our favorite patterns and designs for creating the perfect cushion cover. So my dear friend, if you like my video, please press the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friends and your family, because everyone needs styling. And thank you so much guys for your positive feedback in my previous videos. Your positive feedback encouraged me and motivate me to bring more attractive and stylish videos for you guys. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. So my dear friend, at the same time, I would like to ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself and keep watching.